Hello, my name is Dr. Oluremi, Oparah, Remy. I'm an internist. I've been a hospitalist for 15 years. And over time, I felt there was time for me to make a change in my career. I did not want the same thing every single day. So good thing I came across aesthetics medicine. And I thought this is very fun for me. I told my husband, get in touch, let's go. So for the past 2 months, I've had a few courses, 2-3 months now, since September ending. I had a few courses at Empire. And it's been very stimulating. It's been very fun for me, and I was quite interested. My passion for aesthetic medicine has grown so much because I was like, oh, maybe I cannot do this. But over time, they made me feel comfortable. I met Maritza, Dr. Makar, I met Dr. Crowley. They made me feel like if they can do it, I can do it as well. They were very vulnerable. Nobody was born with this, but we grew up with the confidence. So fast forward, my husband is here today. He's loving it. And today we had a networking event. It's been so good. We took pictures with Maritza and, of course, surprisingly, Dr. Constantino with his wife, Lauren as well. So it's been great. I'm happy that they are imbibing in us the confidence we need to be a fantastic physician who is not just focused on hospital medicine or maybe primary care, but to want to also make people feel good, uplift their mood, make them look beautiful. And that's what medicine is about. It's to heal you, spirit, soul, and body. And that's the goal. My name is Dr. Oluremi, Oparah. I'm an internist. I welcome you to join with every enthusiasm Empire Medical Training. It's going to be fun.